Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. As you know that I provide the technical analysis on major currency pairs. So today I'm going to again talk about Euro USD. So guys, watch my yesterday video in which I have talked about this thing that if Euro USD will get a drop, then it will be based on the 1 hour. But overall, when we look at the weekly chart, the candle has started in a very nice way and I am expecting the upward trend. And again today, you can see that Euro USD has made the upward momentum that I have predicted on YouTube yesterday. So guys, I congratulate all those traders who have taken the benefit from this pair, and also I'm going to talk about the signals report. So I'm not going to disclose the complete signals report right now because most of the subscribers are paid and they have not traded yet, but overall the signals that already triggered. So today I have provided the bullish signal in case of Euro USD, and with the grace of God, Euro USD has moved up, and I have already given the signal yesterday in my yesterday analysis. Okay guys, one more thing. In the yesterday analysis, I have talked about the gold. So I have talked about the clear bullish trend of gold, that I am expecting the upward momentum. And guys, now you can clearly see we are quite up on gold, and the gold has reached to 1308 level. So if you watch my yesterday video, then you will be very clear about the YouTube analysis. That is why I always say that you must subscribe the YouTube channel so that you can get the daily technical analysis updates from my side. So guys, the signals service is quite different because I send the signals report early in the morning based on the full day trading like I have done in the form of Euro USD. And now I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, you can see Great Britain Pound USD is making the upward momentum. Okay, I'm going to take you towards the signals report. My signal is also bullish in case of Great Britain Pound USD, and the entry is 132789. that is broke a few hours ago, and now you can see that Great Britain Pound USD is making the upward momentum. Okay, now let's test it at the higher time frames. Okay, so first of all, let's attach the 200 Forex web system so that we can see what's going on here. Okay, so this is the first indicator that is showing that's a very high volatility in this pair. And let's attach scalper. Okay, the scalper has given us a buy signal here. Okay, now let's attach the monitor so that we can see that what's going on the time frames here. Okay, so as I have suggested that Euro USD is getting strong, so Pound USD also go into the same momentum. Look at the price monitor, it's directed upward, straight into the upward direction. Overall guys, look, the bands has gone very far from each other. That's showing that there is a lot of volatility in the market. That's why the bands are not closer on 1 hour chart, but on the 4 hour chart you can still look this pattern that the market is bouncing from the oversold level. So it touched the oversold levels yesterday, and then the market started to bounce up on the 4 hour chart, and still it's making the bullish momentum. And on the daily chart, looks the candle is pumping up very highly. And if we look at the daily weekly candle, okay, now it's very confusing at the moment because on the weekly candle the market has reached to the oversold levels, but on the lower time frames we are getting the bullish signal. But if we look at the monthly chart, then the monthly chart we also have a buy signal from the scalper, and the market is still, if I zoom this candle, then you can see it is slightly pumped up. So there are a lot of chances that Great Britain Pound USD will go into the upward direction. So guys, that is why I'm talking about the combination of charts, because you must understand that what the charts are talking about on the higher time frames, because most of the traders go into the 15-minute chart frame, 30-minute chart frame, and they suffer from losses. So guys, my trading is always based on swing trading, and I watch the things on the higher time frames. So by looking at the higher time frames, I am quietly bullish on Euro USD and expecting the further upward momentum, and the next target can be 1.3303. That should be in your mind that the Great Britain Pound USD can hit this target. Overall, I am bullish on your Great Britain Pound USD, similarly bullish on Great Britain Pound on gold, as well as I am bullish on Euro USD, and it has already went into our way, and hopefully you traders must have taken the profits as per the suggestions. Okay guys, this is all about the technical analysis for today. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that is used by 200forexpips.com, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.